Welcome back. I'm Dylan with Beamer Tech. If it's time to get a new battery for your 2002 or newer BMW, did you know you have to register that battery? Well, here's a complete guide on how to do just that, why you have to do it, and what happens if you don't. So what is BMW battery registration? Well, to put it simply, it's letting your car know that you've installed a new battery in it, and you should do it every time you install a new battery in your 2002 or newer BMW. As your battery gets older, it gradually loses its charging capacity, and your vehicle will adjust for this to recharge the battery as required and to operate at normal levels. Generally speaking, the older your battery gets, the more recharging it requires. Registering your new battery lets your Digital Motor Electronics Control Module, or DME, know that you've installed a new battery. This will reset your old battery statistics so your car does not overcharge your new one. So why is this important? Well, after 2002, BMW got pretty sophisticated with its electronics. This included a host of intelligent battery sensors. For everything to work well in your car, it would change how the car works as your battery got older. Now, you have to let your car know that you have a new battery in, and this means even changing from lead acid to an AGM battery with a different amperage, or even if you put the same model battery in, you have to let your car know that you have a new battery. If you don't, well, you're going to run into some issues. Your car might overcharge it, certain modules might not work, your battery life is going to decrease, you might even damage your charging system, and that's going to get pretty expensive. Things can also just get annoying. You might notice your windows don't work, your mirrors don't work, your radio's quiet and you can't turn it up, interior lights aren't working. These are all ways your car is trying to conserve power. Now that we know all about battery registration, well, how do you do it? You can go to the dealer and spend a bunch of money to get it done, or you could do it right at home with our help for a fraction of the cost. First, get the battery you want. Before you install it, head over to our site and get set up with our battery registration remote coding. Click the link in the description. There you will set a date and time that works for you. You'll be sent a cable to connect the laptop to your car. If you have more questions about remote coding sessions and how to book one, click here to watch this video on how to book a Beamer Tech remote coding session. Now once you're ready, you've booked your session and it's time, take a picture of your battery's model number and technical information as your technician is going to need this. Now right before your session is about to begin, install your battery. After that, log on and follow the steps that we provide you and your technician will walk you through the rest of the process. Battery registration is a very needed and important feature for your BMW to make sure it runs safely and correctly. And Beamer Tech is here to help with that. Click the link in the description to book your coding session today. For more tips and tricks about how Beamer Tech can help you with your ride, make sure you hit subscribe and don't forget to ring that bell. Thanks for watching.